What's up guys, this is your coach Łukasz, and today we're gonna go over full body foam rolling, so check it out. So if you're experiencing tightness, soreness, pain, which can decrease your range of motion and can have an impact, negative impact on your workout, you can utilize foam rollers, which are great tools that's gonna allow you to loosen up your muscles, gonna allow you to increase the blood flow to the muscle, and also it's gonna help you with your pain, soreness, and also it's gonna increase your range of motion. So today I'm gonna show you a full body routine that I like to utilize, and also at the end of this video I'm gonna show you different tools that I believe are a little bit better than the foam rollers. So check it out. All right, so first we're gonna start from the bottom and we're gonna go all the way up. We're gonna start with our calf muscles first. So you're gonna foam roll above your ankle up to your knee. Make sure your toes are pointing towards your body, legs straight, and from this position, we're gonna go all the way down towards your knee and come back down. If this is too easy and wanna put more pressure on your muscles, you can put one leg over and you can go this way. So that's gonna allow you to massage your muscle a little bit deeper. Another variation you can do, you can go from side to side. So you're targeting different angles of your muscles, of your calf muscles, your soleus muscles. So that's the first drill that you can do for the first half of your lower body. Next one, we're gonna be foam rolling our hamstrings. So you're gonna go from above your knee up to your hip. Gonna be in this position, go all the way down towards your glutes and come back down. Nice and control, make sure you're breathing. Again, if you want to have a little bit more pressure, you can put one leg over and go up and down. And then we can obviously also go from side to side, and we're foam rolling our hamstrings, and that's the next variation. Next one, we're going to be foam rolling our glutes. We're going to be in this position where we're going to put one leg over the other one and go up and down nice and loose. And we're just foam rolling your butt, right? That's another name for your glutes. And then nice and slow, target different angles, and that's another variation. Next one, we're gonna be foam rolling our shin splints here, those muscles, anterior tibialis muscles here. So you're gonna put your shin in this position, bend the back foot, and we're gonna go up and down, breathe. We wanna cover the whole area of your lower part of your leg. Nice and control, and breathe. Next one, we're gonna be foam rolling our glute medius, which is the smaller part of our glutes. So you're gonna be in this position, one leg is straight, one leg is bent. You wanna find that spot where you are on the muscle, not on the hole in your hip or on your bone. And from this position, we're just gonna go up and down. Make sure you breathe, nice and slow. That's another variation for your glutes. Next time we're gonna be foam rolling our quads. So you're gonna go above your knee, up to your hip. So you're gonna be in this position, go on your elbows, the other leg is bent. We're just gonna go all the way towards our knee and then come back down towards your hip. You can also go on both legs if that feels more comfortable. I prefer a single leg, go up and down, and that's a great variation for your quads. So next one, we're gonna be foam rolling on the inner part of our leg, so your adductors. So you're gonna bend your knee, you're gonna be in this position, and we're just gonna go up and down, nice and loose, breathe. That's another variation to foam roll your legs. Next one, we're gonna be foam rolling the side of our leg, your IT bend. So you're gonna be in this position, this leg is straight, you're gonna bring one leg over, hands to the side. You're gonna go up and down, nice and loose, nice and slow. Make sure you're breathing. This is one of the most painful areas, so make sure you're breathing. It's very important to breathe. It's gonna help you be a little bit more relaxed. It's gonna help you with that pain. Next one, we're gonna be foam rolling our back. So you're gonna put the foam roller on your back, give yourself a hug. Make sure your feet are shoulder width. We're gonna bring our hips up a little bit, and we're gonna go all the way up towards our upper back muscle, but don't go on your neck though, and come back down. Nice and loose, and breathe. Go up and down. So when you guys doing those exercises with foam roller, I would recommend to do them at least for 30 seconds per muscle group, or even up to a minute. You can do 1 to 2 sets per muscle group. You don't have to foam roll your full body. You can just foam roll the muscles that you feel that are tight or painful. And I like to use them before the workout. I feel like allows me to increase the blood flow to the area, allows me to loosen up those muscles and help me with the movements that I want to do during the workout. So you can do them before or even after the workout, 5 to 10 minutes per, foam rolling, nothing too crazy. So they're okay, However, what I prefer is actually this. This is a Theragun, or I don't even know how you call it, but you have many different brands, different variations of the Theraguns. I like them a little bit better because you can increase or decrease the intensity of the Theragun. And they're a little bit more targeted, where you can go on your shoulders, on your biceps, your triceps, your lats. So you can target your muscles, a little bit better. You also have different tips as well on those, right? You have different shapes. So I found this a little bit easier to use than the foam roller, because I don't want to do a workout with the foam roller, you know what I mean? I don't want to it's just a little more comfortable for me to use the Theragun. I think it also massages the muscles a little bit deeper and is a little bit more targeted. It's just a little bit more comfortable. You have different prices on those that I think anywhere between like 100 to like a few hundred. Again, there are different types, different brands of the Theragun. So this is something I prefer better. Yeah, that was the foam rolling routine. I hope that was helpful. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you click the like button. If you want to watch more of that similar content, make sure you subscribe. And we'll see you soon. Take care.